In this video, I want to show you the cover template creation feature of the Mega Pack. So what this will allow you to do is to create a cover template either in a PowerPoint file, an OpenOffice file, or in a PDF file that you can then of course import into Canva, Affinity Designer, Adobe, to name a few examples. So what we want to do is, next to choose an option here, we're going to scroll down to create cover template and then hit OK. And this will load our screen here. Now all the sizes here are in inches unless otherwise stated. Our first option is to choose our paper type and then followed by our interior dimensions. Say 6x9, and then we want to choose how many pages our interior has. Say we have 150, and then lastly we just want to choose where we want to save it. So if I save here, and then if you look down here where it has save as type, we've got three different options. So we can save as a PowerPoint file, as I said earlier, a PDF file, and an OpenOffice file. I'll show you a PowerPoint file first. We just call that cover, hit save, and then OK, and then it's created. So then if I open that up in PowerPoint, just wait for that to load. You can now see here I've got all of my guidelines for bleed, etc., for the spine, and it's sized perfectly so I can create my cover in PowerPoint if I so wish. Now if you do load up PowerPoint and you don't see these lines, just go along to view here, and where it says guides, just tick that little box there, and then they will appear. Now, as with the PowerPoint file, these guidelines are only visible in PowerPoint. So if you're using another software, for example, Canva, Photoshop, or OpenOffice, don't create a PowerPoint file. Create a OpenOffice file, obviously for OpenOffice, or if you want to use it in, say, Google Slides or Keynote or something, or create a PDF, particularly if you want to upload to somewhere like Canva, because this will actually create a file with the guidelines on rather than them just being visible in the program, aka PowerPoint. So if we go back in here and we go back to create cover template, again our options here, let's go for 8.5 by 11, and let's stick with 110 pages. So we hit save as. So this time I'm going to use a PDF file and call that cover. Hit OK, and then that's done. So I can open that in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and you can see here that again, exactly the same setup as in PowerPoint. We've got all my guides for bleed, etc., and the spine already set out for me. And then this PDF you can of course import into somewhere like Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Designer, or if you're using software such as Canva, all you need to do is log into Canva, hit the upload button here, and then hit browse, and then choose your cover. Again, don't choose a PowerPoint file if you're uploading to Canva, because the guidelines won't appear. So I'm going to choose my PDF and just wait for that to import. And then if I click it here, I've then got my cover template ready to go. Now I'll quickly and finally show you the OpenOffice one. So again, create cover template, leave the default this time, and then save as OpenOffice presentation. I'll call that cover as well. Hit save and OK, and then we're done. And then that's this one here. And then in the same way as in the PDF, these aren't guidelines that you can switch on or off in the software. These are permanent lines here which show obviously for the bleed and the spine, etc. So then you can use any of these software to start creating your covers for your KDP books. So I hope this quick introduction video to the cover template feature of the Mega Pack helps you. Thank you for watching.